Dear students, welcome to Sociology Unit number 2, Labor. In this video, let us discuss about the answers for the questions which are given in 10th Standard Social Science textbook. These questions are given in page number 93 of Social Science Part 1. After watching this video, click below and you will get the links of previous chapters. Let's begin. First main, fill in the blanks with the appropriate answers. Division of labor leads to dash. Answer is organic merger of various sections of society. Landless laborer are called as dash laborers or unorganized. Laborers of medical institutions are called as dash laborers. Answer is organized laborers. Second main, answer the following in a sentence. First question, what is division of labor? The separation of a work process into a number of tasks, with each task performed by a separate person or group of persons. This is called division of labor. Second question, what is labor with payment? If work is done with payment either in cash or kind, then it is called as labor with pay. Third question, what is labor without payment? If work is done without payment either in cash or in kind, then it is called as labor without pay. Question number 4, what is organized labor sector? Answer is the sector which is enrolled as per the law of the government and provided fixed wages, facilities within the framework of law is called organized sector. Question number 5, what is unorganized labor sector? The unorganized sector of work is that sector where legal provisions do not completely govern. In this sector, the relationship between the employer and employee is not guided by any legal provisions. Question number 6. What are the challenges faced by unorganized sectors workers? Unorganized sector workers do not have fixed work schedule, fixed pay or defined benefits also. And even they don't get fixed wage. Also migration, social insecurity, lack of legal framework, child labor, physical and mental exploitation are the problems faced by them. Third main, discuss in group and answer the following. First question, what are the types of organized labor? Explain. The sector which is enrolled as per the law of the government and provided fixed wages, facilities within the framework of law is called organized sector. This sector is guided by Minimum Wages Act, Factories Act, Employees Provident Fund Act and many other acts in support of laborers. In organized sector, institutions like school, hospital, industries, government-related services, commercial banks, life insurance companies, military and others come. This sector has to take the permission of the government before it begins its function. It is also mandatory for them to pay taxes. It is the responsibility of the institution to provide special facilities and provide employment security for the workers. It is mandatory for them to provide pay on specified dates along with overtime pay whenever the workers have worked more than the stipulated time. Question number 2. Define discrimination in labor. If differential payment is given for two people who put the same amount of time and efforts, then it is called as discrimination. Example, in India, men are paid more for their work than women. Question number 3. Explain the challenges faced on social security issue by the unorganized sectors. Answer is, unorganized sector workers face social insecurity. Social security means having minimum needs to lead a life like housing, health, water, food, drinking water, equal opportunity to work and others. Providing these facilities universally and publicly is called as social security. But this is not available for people working in unorganized sector. These are all the challenges faced on social security issue by the unorganized sectors. Fourth and last question. What are the differences between organized and unorganized workers? Organized sector laborers and unorganized sector laborers, legal provisions, no legal provisions, specific work, no specific work. Organized sector laborers have employment security, but unorganized sector laborers do not have employment security. Fixed wages and allowances, no fixed wages and allowances, fixed time duration, no fixed time duration. Last one is mandatory to pay taxes, no tax provisions. These are all the differences between organized and unorganized workers.